Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nkem and I have a really gorgeous wig from Tinashe Hair to show you guys. This wig is a 13 by 4 lace front wig in 200 density and is a water wave unit. Guys, straight out of the box, this is how gorgeous the coils of this hair is looking. You guys, I'm going to leave all details of this unit in my description box for you guys to grab this really gorgeous wig. And here is a construction of this wig cap. It has 4 combs in it and there's an adjustable strap that came with this wig, so it is really secured. So the next thing I'm going to do is to plug the hairline a little bit before I start installing the wig. I'm just going to apply water on it and then start plucking it. Please guys, if you've watched to this point of the video and you are not yet subscribed to my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notification. Do not forget to give me a thumbs up and leave your comment in the comment section. For the installation of this wig, I'm going to cut out the lace net first before I start installing it. Also, I went ahead to apply my powder on it and then I'm going to use my got2b glue to install this wig. So yeah guys, this is the final look. Let me know in the comment section what your take on this wig is, and as always I'm going to be leaving the link of this hair in the description box, so you guys head over to my description box and check out the link for this unit I'm wearing here. Again, this wig is from Tinashe Hair and they have amazing hair. This hair is a good quality hair and I totally love it. This is a water wave hair and you guys can see when this hair gets dried up fully, where the colors will come out more and it's going to get a lot more bigger. But for now, this is what I have, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.